好像还没进入直播哈。我的头像没显示直播。你确定啊？因为我进入我的头像没显示直播。你就刷新，等一下。你看到手机上面的 FB 已经开始了吗？因为我看还没变红。奇怪了，为什么我的显示不变红？我的网问题。好，中导，我们开启。好，我们开始吧。光先按吗？Okay, so let's get started. Sorry for the delay, my friends. So I'm Oliver. Here, let's get a little show about this excavator from LESU. So good morning, good evening, and we have different time difference. Yeah. So here morning time, your maybe also morning or night time. This now I got for this CAT 374. It is all our painting, and we assembled it. So have other color also from factory LESU directly Z painting and assemble. Also for other color we can customize. You see here all four have different color, but this yellow same, yeah, but black, white different. Also you can design your own favorite color. Let me know. You can tell me which part you want to paint in which color. I can get it done. And for the attachments, quick connection, quick coupler for bucket. Also, you see here we have different, maybe you can use tiltable bucket, hydraulic control. Also, we have the hydraulic hammer. Hydraulic is a pure grab, ripper. All these attachments can be attached to this CAT 374. So we have other attachments, PC360, also for the ET35, also can be fitted on this CAT 374. Only change the coupler, yeah, because only the size different, change the coupler, we can fit to each other. So let's first start one. This one. Now I only powered on these two excavators, the red, green, and this gray and the green one. Another two no have receiver, no have radio fitted yet. So if you like to show later, I will make a video to show that too. Anyway, the functions are same, only painting different. Let's first start this red one. Now I'm using this EV radio. So set up, this one have light and sound. Okay, let's have a look. So for the function, you can check about on the manual of the radio, which one is controlling which function. Even now, for me, so many different excavator, different radio, but mostly we are setting similar control of each one. Let's make it blinking. Start it. Now I'm fitting this one with the tiltable hydraulic bucket. So for factory design, this right side one pair, that's one spare channel using for the grab or other hydraulic attachments. Left side, it is one pair. So now this tilt grab, I'm using left side. Also, you can connect to right side. Anyway, left is one pair, right side is one pair. So the track sound, this is the JD sound system. Actually, also can change for, we are using also cabinet sound system. Also have our customized sound system. So this excavator sound, here it. If you don't like this sound, I also can record different real excavator sound for you. So name it, which excavator sound you want, give me a name. I can search on the internet, record the real engine sound. Even for the hydraulic track, engine throttle sound, I record to our customized sound system and install to it. You can get the sound you like. Yeah, so anything you want to customize, I can try get it done. Okay, running a little bit. Around show you this side. Yeah, let's see from this side. Let's first open the door to show. This mirror better change a little bit the angle. So inside the decoration, this handle, this is not for power, yeah. Have this handle on the 945, it's for power switch. Also on the 9150, also for power, but this one not. It's battery connected, the ESC power on directly. So here we put the receiver. Okay, we open also other door. The fan cooling for the inside the electronics. The power switch for ESC is all inside here position. So here on there we got the valve. You see it's a steel one with a half metal servo. This one is a pressure release valve. I changed it to different. Original ones was a smaller one pressure release valve. So this angle. One thing I need to mention is about when we assembling, I will take out the battery. When we assembling this one, this battery chamber, this plate, it is high. So under there was a support bar. So I removed the bar. So this one, the plate is lower. You can put 3S battery easier. If you put in also assemble the supporting bar for the battery plate, it will be like a half centimeter taller. 3S battery cannot push inside. It's getting stuck in the way. So if you have the kit, the CAT 374, when you assembling this battery plate, better remove the support bar. So you have big space to put the battery easier. Okay, turning around. Rear side, see the painting, and if you get closer, you see it's our painting, and very beautiful, also very strong. Even if you scratch a little by some screwdriver, it's not getting scratched. It's a hard and strong painting. It's not only one layer, yeah. So around 3 layers. First, we have for polishing. The surface is CNC parts. So CNC parts surface, you will see the cutting flowers, the line. We'll have to polish a little bit to be more flat. Then painting the first layer. After the first layer, putting into the oven to dry quickly and also strong. After dry, then putting the color, the outside painting. So it's basically 3 steps: polish, then first layer, then second the surface layer. So also if you want different color like metal shiny, the surface will be more steps to handle. Anyway, depending on the painting, which one you like. So this one I'm not setting mix control. Only basically we start the pump directly. That's the hydraulic sound. You can move slow. The tilting. So this tilting for the bucket, let's see, we have 2 cylinders on the top of the bucket. So with a distribution block, so the oil separate to 2 cylinders. Here, this position, we also say this one, that's the distribute. So one spare channel going to 2 cylinders. Stop the pump. Yeah, that's the maximum angle, because you see if turning more, this side will be touching, but the cylinder already at the end point, yeah. No worry. Anyway, that's the biggest angle. Around you can see. Move a little bit backward. Also, later we will try other attachments. Do a little bit digging. Start the pump. So this one is best for making flat. So if you change the angle to open a V-shaped slot on the ground, yeah, for our customer experience, for sure want this one to be operated more slowly, finally also can speed up. So that one we will have to take time to find the valve opening position, how much angle the distribution valve open to start moving the arm and bucket. In my other videos, I have a few, it's showing the radio how I'm doing with the ET35 945 and other excavator with EV light radio, how to set up the fine control curve to move it. This one not set up yet. We just painted, assembled. I'm in a hurry to show you. Anyway, so if you buy this one, you're not sure how to set it up. I also can set up as you require opening fine control curve, all can be done. So just how you like it to be done, talk to me. I will get it done as you prefer. Yeah, now, so for changing bucket, put it with this angle, move it back, it will be hooked up, turning around. That's the rotation sound. So with this angle, when we disconnect it, start the pump. Yeah, not this switch. Find the one for the quick connection, the manual. So SWLK should be inside. Yeah, that's the quick connect. It's already disconnected. Lock, unlock. So now already unlock and release the pressure. Stop the pump, open the valve. The pressure in the oil pipe will be released. Then you open and change. Will be coming less oil, yeah, because in the oil hose have oil remaining, have pressure will come in more oil leaking. Okay, remove it. Now we can have a better look of it. So that's the rotation pin. 1 to 2 separate block. Inside have the hole. So making flat also with water can flow out, only the mud rocks remaining. Yeah, let's see about, maybe we can try this one to see only the shape, yeah, the ripper. With a copper not painting at the front. Lock it. This is normally we are using this ripper when you are digging the hard land. Maybe it's too hard for a bucket to dig directly. You can try first to or dig it into the land to make it soft by this ripper. Yeah. Anyway, so let's try another one. This one, simple, not much to talk about. Release the pressure. Not yet. First, we have to unlock it. Then release the pressure, remove. Then we will connect this one. Let's see. Hydraulic pump, a hydraulic motor. It is inside for punching this. So it's like this size. It's a smaller one, yeah. Also, you will see with others, we have big one, but not for this excavator. Put inside, we can first connect the oil channel. Need to pull open, pull up, push in, lock. Yeah, better turning around with not tangling the hose. Okay, should be not locked tight. Not if not locked after pressure, will burst out coming oil. Will bring you trouble. Yeah. So let's have a try. This hydraulic motor, one direction, yeah, only one direction. It will start punching. If I turn in another oil going, it will not. It's not locked properly. Push a little bit. It will not punching. Only one side open. More power. If I turn in another direction, no moving. Only one direction. That's inside have spring to get it back in position, then the oil motor to start it. I see how much longer is the stroke. It's like only half second. Let's see, put on the table. Yeah, actually, we tried. For the hydraulic, it's not powerful as the electronic big one hammer. It's got more power. For hydraulic, this motor, it's not much power. We can try. Well, cannot break the small brake. Not easy. Maybe only at the edge we have a try to cut the edge. Well, this one only break a little bit the surface. Only for fun, yeah, cannot break real rocks. Turn the another side a little bit forward. Sometimes I found some problem with this one, but maybe it's designed like this. If you're not pushing on something to knock, sometimes it will stop. You have to push on the land or rocks. Now I'm trying. So if I reverse it, it's only one direction, as I told, one way oil going inside. This connection needs to connect again. Have a little oil here. Yeah. So if you're turning other way, it's not starting. And if you're turning back, sometimes it's not starting. You have to push it on the table or on the rocks to start punching. Okay, hook it back. We will detach it. Unlock. Okay. This side not unlocked or what? Have a look. Unlock it. Okay, already unlocked. Put it down a little bit. Open the valve, release oil pressure. Let's disconnect it. Oil remaining in the hose, yeah. Let's try this pure grab. Maybe we connect to another side. Hook it on. Yeah, we have a look. This oil hose, I was testing before, so have oil remaining in the hose. So this one, if you assemble by yourself, it's only a very two-purpose manual. It's very easy to assemble, not many parts. So also can painting differently for you. Inside you see, inside we have the pillar, the piston inside, which for secure the strong spring. It's not painted because after painting, all these parts, it's fitting each other very finely. The hole, like this hole for pin, also a big hole inside. It's exactly same size. So if painting the painting thickness around half minimum meter, it is bigger. Yeah, you cannot push inside. We'll have to grinding to put the pin also for the big pin. So better inside cannot see not painting. Okay, hook it up. Let's lock it. Lock. Release pressure. Let's connect to other side. This is another channel. Remove. When you are not using, keep this block so we are not leaking oil. Yeah. When you're using, remove it. Okay, now this side we are not using, block it. Pull up the lock, push in. Yeah, secured. Then we try this side. Need to pull up the lock, push in. Sometimes when using the grab or a fork to put under there, you want it also spinning, yeah, so you can change the angle to grab what you like. So this one now not fitting, but in my another video of roll and off truck with the truck crane, we already tried with the spinning block, turning block. Add one block here with another oil channel. We can turn it by hydraulic. So containing the angle, you can grab anything, change the angle, change the position will be more easier. That one for turning block, later we also can try with these excavators. Now I only tried with the crane truck. So move it. Now it is another channel. Let's try. Open, close. So let's say it's 5 blade, 5 small cylinder, and all oil coming from top this block. So on top, one round with one channel. Downside, 5 oil holes with one channel to operate all the cylinder open and close same time. Yeah, before I want to try by hand how much power it is. Anyway, it is strong because in the excavator we are running around 4 MPa. So 4 MPa, the oil pressure into the cylinder is quite also, even this cylinder very small piston, quite also for the power, yeah. Try this. Clean a little bit oil from the hose. Try it. Yeah, this is not heavy. Yeah, every time we connect in this one, we have to be careful if this one secure tight. If not secure tight, we are coming a little bit oil, yeah. Lock well. Before I also have one problem with one customer. It's not this excavator, it's others. So if operating from the radio settings for the valve to open, yeah, if the valve is not in the middle closed position, the grab or other grab not only this one, yeah. The oil channel, the oil will be released to go back to the system. So the grab will be open or closed automatically. It's because the valve not closed, it's not holding the oil pressure. So the thing you grab will drop. What to do is find from the radio to set up the valve for controlling the spare channel to be exactly closed in the middle position. Maybe not zero. Maybe have to move the subtrim to left, maybe 20, maybe 40% or right side. Have to find the middle position to close the valve completely to hold the pressure. Grab it. Let's see if you can hold. I will pull by hand. Okay, stop the pump. Then you can see if it's holding or not. Pump stop. Grab it. If the valve is holding or not, you can even try to open by hand to see if it's opening or closing. Also for the arm, you can also test by hand like this. You stop, pump, also you close the valve in the middle position, yeah? You press down or you lift up to see if you can move it. If you cannot move by hand, means the oil channel it is closed. If the oil channel slightly open, this one you will be able to push by hand slowly. Anyway, now this one seems to be correct, middle position closed, so not dropping. Let's try to a little bit heavier one. This is different shape here. Slowly drop it. Okay, drop. Start the pump, drop it. It sounds like this battery maybe not high voltage yet because already running. Normally for 3S battery, we are using for 5,200 mAh. That's mostly we are using for this 1 to 14 scale, this excavator. Also, if for other smaller loader, we are using smaller battery, depending on the battery chamber, how big it is, yeah. So now this one inside is a bigger battery. But if you fully operation running the pump, normally it's driving 15 minutes maybe. Yeah, later this one have to change. When I start the pump at higher load, you will hear sometimes the pump is not running full speed. You can hear the sound of the hydraulic pump. It's changing, becoming weird, means the battery already low. Better to change. Something happened, our customer, they are playing. After receive, they play the battery directly because what to do best is first recharge the radio fully, the battery charge fully. If not fully the battery, is especially for this LESU battery, when you're running, you finish the, let's say 3S battery normally is around 12 volt, even 12.5 volt. That's fully a charge. If you're running like below 10 volt, 11 volt, below 10, below 9, the battery already finished, dead. For the good charger, you cannot charging it anymore because it's too low battery. For some, the small charger, which cheaper one, you can charge it directly. It's not counting the battery voltage. Even below 9, below 8, you still can charge it, but do not over running the battery. After below 10, maybe it's already fucked up, this one. You will not, after charging, you cannot fully charge it. It will quickly finish. With good charger, you cannot even charging the battery which already finished. So for better long life for battery, always charging fully after running like a little bit low, finish, change the battery and fully recharge it, then play it again. Also for the radio, yeah. For the radio, sometimes you playing, better to charge it for longer running life. Okay, so this one we will leave it here. If we want to see this one, we also start it up. That's the horn. We leave it. So all these attachments we already see. That's the original bucket. We have the red one here, original bucket to fit on it. Let's start this one. What says is settings are a little bit different here, but before sending it out to our custom voltage, we will set it. If same radio, we will set all the channels same. So if you got any problem during playing, if you change the radio settings, if you lost the signal of control, so we know exactly which channel using which function. So I can diagnose for you the trouble and even help again to set up the radio to get back all the control. Yeah, so we have a standard setting for it, better for easier after-sale maintenance. Radio first on. Push in. That's a battery chamber, yeah. So this one, that's what I'm talking. I will drive a little bit forward, you will see. So if you're looking from here, come this end. 在这里，看这里。This battery chamber is lower position because I removed the plate support bar. But this one forgot. It's assembled. No, not this one. It's this one. This one. The bar is still inside. So you see this one, the battery plate is a higher position. The 3S battery will not be able to push in from this side because it's too high, less space. So this one later need to open again to remove the supporting bar. So if you bought the kit version, when you're assembling, this battery plate on the side has a supporting bar, remove it to stick this bar, this plate directly on the distribution valve. You will get big space. Have a moving. See, check a little bit what's the other function. Yeah, this one set it up with one stick control spinning, one stick left stick controlling the driver. Anyway, different settings as you require. Get it done as you prefer. Yeah. So start the pump. Yeah, that's the pump. See, all the arm we are custom. We are used to right stick for the big arm, left stick for the front arm, and bucket. So mostly in the world, as I know, we have two different driven style. Yeah. Another style is we are using left and right. This now I'm using rotation. Other people prefer to use left and right for the arm to go out and in. Anyway, this one all can be changed setting from the radio. This one, let's see about where is the light and the sound. It's light, sound, SWB. So the sound system, let me check if same. Yeah, this one also the JD sound system. It's assembled the sound system here. That's the soundboard. JD sound. So this one, the Excavator, the driver, track sound, rotation sound, hydraulic sound is fixed. It's all done by factory. So what I'm saying is we also can customize a different soundboard. I can record different Excavator, real Excavator sound, record to the soundboard. So you can choose any sound you like, I can record to it. That's the pump, drive a little bit. Rotation sound. This one also not set it up control curve yet, but as you can see, start the pump directly, no control curve, You can also slowly move it, but for better operation, yeah, better set up the control curve for more accurate operation. Let's see a little bit the power, if this one can hold it or not. Let's see. So after you receive, let's say, you received one excavator, you first power on the radio and connect it to basic functions, the light, the sound, and you drive the track to see all the functions if it is normal. For the hydraulic, you first stop the hydraulic pump. I will stop also the sound. Stop the sound, you can hear more clearly. So for testing the excavator, you check function one by one, yeah? The light, the sound you start. And also for the hydraulic system, what you check, after you receive, when we transfer this in the package, we are suction out the oil in the oil tank, because in the airplane, it's not allowed oil in the system, yeah? Or the oil in the package, it's dangerous cargo. So also for safety, remove the oil. So when they transporting, you don't know, yeah. Some people will turn it around. The oil will coming out from the top cover, so making a mess. It happened. Forgot. Some are sent out directly from factory. Yeah, but sorry for the mistakes. Happened before. Remaining oil inside from the oil tank coming out. You thought maybe the oil leaking from the hose or pump. It's not. It's only the oil tank. But yeah, basically we will suction out all the oil out, so more easier for maintenance. After you receive, put the hydraulic oil inside, you run it, and the oil will go to the cylinder, the hose. After that, you fill up a little bit more. So for the oil tank, it's around totally maybe 70, 80 minimum liter. So after fill up again, the oil level should be around half of the oil tank. So you have enough suction running, circulate. So for testing, first, you don't start the pump. You can turn in the valve to see if the valve turning correctly. You can hear the valve turning. So you run it. The valve is turning okay. You start the pump slowly. You're testing if the function have. And you can check out from a torchlight to see if there are any oil coming. So everything okay. Increase the pump load, start playing. If anything happens, if anything wrong, talk to me directly. Yeah, I will see what happened. Anything wrong, if need to troubleshooting, what to do, I will find the solution for you. So a few days ago, I hear from one customer. Anyway, if you are doing things a lot, a good something, I don't know, it's other dealer, other shop, they will say something bad about you because they want to sell more. They are thinking I'm taking their customer away. Yeah, anyway, we are doing our best. Yeah, some people say I don't do after-sale service, but my customer know. If they have any trouble, coming to me, I will answer directly, find the solution, offer spare parts. I'm always doing my best to do this after-sale service. Also for the before sale, yeah, you want to know about it, what function it have, what parts inside, what is the basic inside arrangement. I can all show you. Before sale, after sale, I'm all with you. Yeah. Okay, this one. One plate fell down. No worry. So what I can offer you is special painting for excavator. Different painting, also other painting is also available. Different sound system available, even add different warning lights, different attachments, and also customized this real excavator sound system can be recorded to the sound and just specially for you. For others excavator, we have not only our customized, yeah, this our customized painting and assemble, also have a lot other models, truck, loader, and even crawlers, woodwork, and these others. Also for the tank. Yeah. 蓄电池吗？哦、sorry, low battery. I will change battery. 你要换吗？你换呗。1 minute, I will change battery. Low battery for the camera. 不用关，不用。It sounds like the internet is a little bit slow. When you're watching my live shoot, yeah, let me know. Yeah, what's your suggestions? I will try to get better internet. If you want to see others, you just send me messenger. Keep writing behind my video. Let me know what you want to me to do any improvement or talking about others. I will try to make more video or living show for you. Yeah. So we have also a lot here in my shelf. It's only here I bring from my warehouse, bring from factory for showing you. Others, normally what we send out is from factory to our warehouse directly. At our warehouse, we will check the condition. Yeah, especially for this big excavator, high quality and high value one, we will send out to you. Anyway, what I mean is we also have so many other different models. If you not sure what you like, you ask me. I will show you what I have. Photos, video, you ask, I will send to you. And have different is like, especially we customize, you may not see. Customize especially for you. You want different functions. You put different attachments. And you want the radio setting differently, you talk to me directly. Yeah, I will try to get it done. So also we have different models from a factory. It is factory painted assembled. Yeah, you watch into my shop link. I will send also my shop link. Yeah, I have different shop. You may be confused. Some customer asking how many shop you have. I have many. Yeah, it's if you check carefully, it's all token hobby. Also have on the Facebook, on the especially on the Facebook, some people they are doing bad business. They say they are token hobby, but be careful. Yeah, talk to us directly, send us message, even video talk to confirm before you buy. 先休息一下。